good morning or afternoon to you guys. So I'm on holiday for the next 4 days, so I'm gonna be going hard on this car. I have so much things to put on it. I have engine mounts, JDM floor mats, I have springs, what else is there? Fuck. Air intake, and I only recently noticed that my roof is leaking like fuck. So I think I'm gonna start with the roof today. So I'm gonna remove all the interior and see what's going on. I already removed most of the stuff from the boot because I had like a rust well, which is very common with S2000s. They just rust in the boot. Fixed that, and now I'm trying to get the source of the leak. I noticed that this roof isn't original, so I started digging deeper and deeper, and I noticed that when the guy fitted the new roof, he forgot to fit like 6 bolts going around the back, so when it's raining it's just leaking straight in the boot. So today I'm gonna see if I can fix that. So this is what my boot is currently looking like. I stripped all the interior plastics and stuff. I had a big fuck off hole here, so I just filled it in with some silicone and plastic hard rubber. You can't really tell, I'll show you underneath. Sprayed it and filled it, but rust is starting to come through again. But alright, my issue is the roof here. So it's leaking through the back, and then it just comes all the way in, and then it just sits there and rusts this bit here. Everything else though seems pretty much perfect. I'm going to start off with taking the seats and all the interior panels to give me space, because it's quite tight in here. Right, so all the bolts for this seat are off. I think I'm going to open the roof to make the seat removal a bit easier. Both sides are out now, and it's quite spacious now. We're getting there. I'm going to start removing all of this backside bit, and my outlet doesn't work. So after I take all this off, I'm going to see if I can fix that. But yeah, let's crack on. So what I need to do is put the roof halfway up. I'm guessing I can go all the way up. I don't see why not. There we go. And of course, the guy that changed the roof previously hasn't put any clips or anything on the plastics. So give him that. Piece of piss to take off. Right, update. I found out why my cigarette lighter wasn't working, because it wasn't plugged in. But we're getting the center console out, and that's why it wasn't working. Oh, I can't trust mechanics nowadays. They can't do anything properly. Right, so got the plastics from the side off, and at the moment, from all I can see, is that there's only that one there missing. Everything else has got a screw. But we're gonna get the hose now, and we're gonna see exactly where it's leaking from. I can hear it here, but it's going to the drain. Oh, there it is. It's from there and from the boat, just like I thought. It's leaking down there as well. Oh wow. Holy shit. Okay. So I've been at it for a couple of hours now, managed to get this off, and I think I pinpointed why I've got a roof leak. So if you look here, these is where it bolts in, right? But you should have some rivets like that, and then where it's leaking, the rivets come off. So I suspect it's leaking through the rivets and not the actual screw, because all of these are fine. And when you come to this one, that one's fucked as well. I only noticed that the roof wasn't original after I bought it, because I started noticing a lot of stuff missing. But yeah, if any of you guys know whether I actually need a new soft top because of this or not, but this is the state of the car. If you have any issues with the roof, I suggest doing it yourself, because then you know it's done right. Don't pay someone else a fortune to fuck your car up. It's the reason why I never actually take my car to a garage. I only ever take my car to a garage to do alignment and stuff, because and to change tires, because I don't have that sort of stuff at my house. But yeah, annoying. So I think I'm gonna have to either get a new roof, soft top roof, or just a hard top. But for the time being, I think I'm just gonna cover everything with silicone, and hopefully it will fix the issue. Right guys, so I noticed that my GoPro battery died, so I put it on charge since it's the only one I've got. The other one doesn't work with the mic for some fucking stupid reason, so I only have one battery for now. Little update. All of the interior is back on. I only have this panel here to do, and then I'll put the JDM mats in. But yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do to it, which today I pretty much spent all day doing the roof, which was kind of annoying. But I think tomorrow I'll crack on with the engine mounts, because it's going to be raining all day, so I'll be under the car, and in theory I won't get soaked. But I think for the end of today is I'll take all 4 alloys off, maybe have a play with the calipers and stuff, because I'm going to get all the calipers resprayed as well. That's about it really. So now that everything's back, I'm gonna let the silicone dry for a day, and then tomorrow me and my dad are gonna use the hose trick again and hopefully not get a boot leak. But if it does leak, then there's nothing really I can do about it, because I'm guessing it's the soft top that's fucked anyway. So again, just a hard top, that's gonna be my only option. But in summer I didn't really want a soft top, hard top. I want a soft top and then a hard top in winter. Since everything's done, I think I'm just going to clean up the interior and get rid of those ugly, disgusting mats. Fucking minging. That's a lot better. So car's all done. And that is just a little tease for the JDM mats. Oh yes. What I like about these is that it covers this little hump, and it will be the same on the other side, and it makes it more comfortable, because then you can just rest your foot on it. So this will just become a footrest. But oh, love it.